Hi, my name is Kundan and today we'll discuss about the winter training. If we'll talk about the all technical colleges like BCA, MCA, BTech, MCA, MTech, so they are suggesting to the student during this winter time, like duration will be 1 month and 2 months. During this 1 and 2 months of time, you can plan for the professional course. Professional course can be in software development, like in networking infrastructure, like in web development. In fact, you can plan for the cyber security career, otherwise in Cisco, Microsoft, Red Hat, EC Council and CompTIA too. So that if you will be in final year, maybe if you will be in final semester, then that will be good for your career, your future, to get the good job in a good company. That's why all those engineering college, they are suggesting to the all students join some winter training, otherwise summer training course, to help for the strong career and strong opportunity with a technical field, and then after you should plan for the job. So this is the small thing about the winter training. Later we will discuss some other thing too. Thank you and all the best.